Ha ha ha. The next product. I tried doing that with a straight face and I can't. Let's see what $15 got us for the Allure beauty subscription box for the month of July for 2019. We are unboxing and trying on the products in 3, 2, 1. Hey, it's Amanda. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Welcome back to my channel. But if it's your first time here and you enjoy beauty hauls, unboxings, first impressions, reviews, and more, you've come to the right place to hit subscribe for new videos weekly. This is my second Allure beauty box. My first month was June, and since I received it in July, I didn't do an unboxing. July's is here, and for July was in collaboration with Miss Huda Beauty, which I'm really excited for. I have tried a couple of Huda's products before, and I'm really a big fan of her liquid lipsticks and as well as her highlighting palette that I received in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Without further ado, let's get unboxing. Oh, this is so cute! With passion and purpose, every dream is possible. And Miss Huda Beauty's face is on the card that have all the different products inside. Right off the bat, I see we have a full-size product, and then we have the case of the remaining products. Girl, the queen is slaying on the box. I think that'd be fun to cut out and put somewhere in the beauty room, so I will save that to do arts and crafts later. So the first product we have is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is the shade Alluring, and it was exclusively made for the Allure beauty box. I keep saying either Allure or Allure. Like, I can't make up my mind. It's like caramel or caramel. Let me know in the comments how you pronounce it. And it says it's a orangey red lip color that we created for the month of July. And orange lipsticks are not my favorite. I don't think that they work out with my skin tone and my complexion, so I will not be swatching this. I will set it aside because I would like to put it in a giveaway for someone that will get some use out of it. Hope you guys are excited for that. Be sure to be subscribed with the notification bell turned on for when the next giveaway is announced. I really like the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick formula. I think for a matte it is very comfortable, it's pigmented. There's a little bit of transfer, but really only like in the center of your mouth, so that's like the only place I have to retouch. And I think they go for about $20, which seems to be like an average price for a higher end liquid lipstick. If you're interested in buying any shades, I know Sephora carries Huda Beauty lipsticks to go in stores and do some swatches, or you can also on the app do like the try on test, which is actually really fun to do. I find myself doing that quite often actually. And then we have this case that has the remaining products. I probably won't get much use out of this case, so I'll either save it to put in a giveaway or just throw it away, but I feel bad just throwing it away because I don't want it to go to waste. Anyway, open it up. Ooh, we have some Huda Beauty lashes. Ha ha ha. The next product. I tried doing that with a straight face and I can't. So the second product, we have some Huda Beauty lashes, and these are what it looks like. It says that they're classic in Samantha. I'm slowly getting more into lashes, so I will be keeping these for myself. Do I have lash glue? Yes. And I have one pair of tweezers that I use to apply. So I'm going to spend like 10 minutes that will be edited out to actually try these on and see how they look. Luckily, the struggling will be edited out so you don't have to bear through that pain. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite lash glue. I know they have some that go on black instead of clear or white. Interested in maybe trying those and seeing if that helps. Would love to know your thoughts on your experience. Now that I got the lash glue on, I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit, let it dry before applying. Should have set a timer because I am impatient. This is like the first lash I've ever had that has actually went on without any struggle, so I am impressed by how well it went on. Let's get the second one on and see. But normally I am fighting with the lash to stay, and I use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. That's the one I've always used to get lashes on, and it really seemed to like this band. I didn't run into any issues. These lashes are pretty user-friendly for beginners with lashes. I've only worn lashes a couple times in my videos, and normally they look quite wonky, and I know I probably should have trimmed it before. I just didn't because I don't have the tools to. The left lash went on a little wonky, but I still got it on. Kind of looks weird since I don't have like eyeshadow or anything, but I can at least see that there are lashes peeking out. These are gorgeous. I'm living for these. I think these are like the most dramatic lashes that I have in my collection. It's weird to look at yourself when you don't really have lashes or you're not used to seeing this dramatic length, and I'm just like, whoa. This is what it's like to have lashes. but I like it. I think these are fun. I don't think I would wear them like on a day-to-day basis, but for like a fun, more dramatic look, I think that these would be a really nice pair to pair with. These lashes retail for $20. All right, let's see what else we have. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, we're putting snail guts on our face. So the third product, we have the Tony Moly Intense Care 24K Snail Hydro Gel Mask. Is that like some anti-aging hack I have not been informed of? Let's see. It's infused with stale mucin. The slimy stuff actually shockingly feels heavenly on a hot summer day. Dunking my face into ice feels good on a hot summer day. It's cooling and hydrating, plumps skin immediately. So the snail mucin or mucin, sorry, I don't know if it's supposed to be like a k or a s noise. There is a mix of peptides, antioxidants, glycosaminoglycans, hyaluronic acid, zinc, copper, iron, and manganese. It's a powerful cocktail that helps soften lines, calm inflammation, and promote collagen production over time. All right, interesting. I'm a little grossed out, but I'm also intrigued. I think it has some good ingredients, antioxidants, hyaluronic acid, that's all good stuff and key benefits that you look for when you're choosing out some skincare items, especially for like anti-aging, for like the fine lines and pores. We shall see how this works out. Maybe I'll try it and update you guys in a skincare diaries. I'm wondering why we are using parts from a snail to put on our face. It's a little weird. I mean, if it works, it works. The next item, we have the K. Ali Vanilla Perfume, or excuse me, Vanilla 28 Perfume. Okay, it's kind of cute. Typically I just like toss these, but I mean, if it's gonna be in here, we'll try it. Oh, that smells really good, and too bad it like dispensed like a third from just spraying it on my wrist. Maybe I will be able to do 1 and 2 more. It smells really good. It's like a scent I would use. I do love vanilla. Definitely has me like in the mood for fall, for like a bonfire with smoking hot schmoes. They're called s'mores. I wish it was bigger than this little itty bitty sample size. And then we have 2 cards. Shop hudabeauty.com for 25% off, and then you're going to want to see this. We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek at some of your favorite products coming up in the August box, so that should be fun. Don't have any coins in here to scratch off. Got 2 products left. We have the, I don't know how to pronounce this. I want to say oui, like French when you go oui oui, but this is the Oui Texturing Hairspray. I actually have a full size of this. I got it during the Sephora Christmas sale where you do like an extra 20% off sale item. They had this and a spray oil duo pack. I really wanted the oil spray and it was a really good value, and I really liked this texturing spray. I used it in place of dry shampoo and it made my hair feel really good. I was like, okay, new life hack that's working for my hair. My hair is crazy. It's doing its own thing right now. Thought it was like a really interesting substitute compared to dry shampoo. It didn't leave that white or gray residue that dry shampoos leave, and it made my hair feel like super soft. Dry shampoo tends to like dry out my hair. I felt like my hair was like a whole new head of hair. My hair is not that soft. It's just its own thing. It's just there. I'm about to lose a lash over here. I guess I'm blinking too much. I guess you don't realize how much you blink when you have lashes on. But yes, I love this so much. I'm so excited to have a travel size because I don't really have travel size dry shampoos or texturing or hairsprays for that matter. This is definitely going to come in handy for when I have some travel. And then the last product, we have the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner in the shade 0. I already have one and I love it. I use these all the time. I think that these are really good quality eyeliners. And that's what it looks like swatched. 0 holds a place in my heart because it was one of like my first black eyeliners I did purchase, you know, for those emo scene days. That should make a comeback. Those days were fun. I'm just gonna apply this to my waterline just to show you guys. I have really watery eyes and this eyeliner is super smooth. It glides on really nice. You're not there like, you know, jabbing at your waterline because my eyes will water. Pretty much anything makes my eyes water. That's why I get a lot of use out of Urban Decay's eyeliners. It's really matte black, which I like, and the staying power is pretty good. I will say it does tend to crease a little bit underneath the eyes, so sometimes I do get raccoon eyes. I don't really notice it when I smoke out my lower lash. lash, but if I was just going out like this with lashes and eyeliner, I think by like hour 6 is when I'll start seeing a little bit of smudging. Also, I try not to get that close to my tear duct just because my tear duct area does generate like the eye boogies, and then it mixes with the eyeliners, gets kind of gross up in there. TMI, I'm sorry. That's just something that I've noticed that happens with me. Definitely excited to have another one in my collection. I go through eyeliners so fast. So I think we got a pretty good box. I mean, for $15, really can't complain. We got 2 deluxe sizes, which I will get a lot of use out of. We got full-size lashes, full-size lipstick, and a full-size mask. Then we have this really cute sample perfume. So I think for $15 a month, it's not bad, since both the lashes and the lipstick retail for $20. You're paying $5 less and getting 2 full sizes. That's $40 right there. Definitely thought that this box gave you a good value for the $15 that you did pay for, especially when you start factoring in the deluxe sizes. I'm really excited that this is my second box. I think it's really good. I think that this box does a good job of curating deluxe size and full size products, so I'm excited to see what August has in store. I do have the month-to-month subscription in case if it starts going downhill for me. Usually I do like the year subscription to save a little extra money. From the videos that I've watched, I see that it's hit or miss, but recently it's been pretty good and I really enjoyed my June box. I'm getting a lot of use out of those products. We shall see what August has in store for us. Let me know if you have the Allure Beauty subscription. Did we get the same variation? What were your thoughts on the products? And if you got a different variation, what did you get instead? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video.